Welcome to Financial Success Secrets, the channel that's all about helping you achieve financial independence and success. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the importance of setting financial goals and how to actually achieve them. Setting financial goals is key to achieving financial success. Without clear goals, it's easy to get lost and not make the progress we want. One of the first steps to setting financial goals is to understand where you currently stand. This means looking at your income, expenses, and debts. Once you have a good understanding of your financial situation, it's time to set specific and realistic goals. This could be paying off a certain amount of debt, saving up for a down payment on a house, or investing a certain amount of money. To help you achieve your goals, it's important to track your progress. This means regularly checking in on your budget, expenses, and savings. There are many financial apps and tools available to help with this, so find one that works for you. Another key to achieving your financial goals is to make a plan and stick to it. This means creating a budget and prioritizing your spending. You may need to make some sacrifices in the short term, but it will be worth it in the long run. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many financial professionals, such as financial advisors and accountants, who can help you with your finances. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need guidance or support. And that's it for today's video on setting financial goals. Remember, with the right mindset and strategies, achieving financial success is possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Success Secrets for more tips and advice on how to reach your financial goals.